Hi, my name's Tony, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about the GenStone product. We actually just got through completing our fireplace here, and I'll upload a few pictures showing you from the beginning to the end of the install, and it's just really a phenomenal product. In fact, I've had contractors come in here telling us they can't believe that this is a GenStone product because it looks like stone. So we're very, very happy and very pleased with this product. We chose the color because of our color scheme in our Barndominium. Now this is a brand new build home. Now we're also putting up on the outside, and here's a couple of pictures of that, we're putting up what's called the wainscoting. So our color choice was really because of the tans that we're using and the style of stone that we wanted. We really felt that complemented everything else in our home. But I can tell you that the ease of the product going up, the instructions, the videos that they provide and everything made this job really easy to put up. I can tell you that this whole fireplace system that we put up, it took me about 12 hours just to go through and get it installed. So again, we're really excited about the GenStone product. I would be recommending it to anybody that I know of that wants to do this type of install. Just nothing but fantastic.